Hi, welcome, Marianne, popping in. I'm gonna do a quick Essante Organics unboxing. First off, I have Chocoholic Kiss. It's a protein shake. It's vegan. It's 115 calories a serving, and I've been using these products for 13 years. So I only ordered the chocolate. It was on sale with the earth greens, and I'll show you those in a bit. So this is going to be coming in handy on my Weight Watcher journey. It's going to be 2 points a serving. Next, I got sample sizes of our Sparkle toothpaste. So they come in these because I've been brushing my teeth when I have my lunch at work, when I take my lunch, or even when I buy my lunch. So it'll be easier to carry these instead of the tube I've been taking in my travel brush. So I got a couple of those. And I got at home Sparkle toothpaste. I also got one of my favorite, my vitamin C facial cleanser. And this is my favorite hand soap. It's a bit pricey, but oh my gosh, my hands feel so soft. It's called Hard Candy. It is so nice. I know my products are going in and out a bit because I'm using a virtual background. So it's kind of a new thing I'm trying. I feel like relaxed at the beach right now. I got a couple of these. Of course, a go-to that I always get, my sanitizer for body and home. So this product, I'm allergic to so many things. I started my channel on safe ingredients in personal care products, and that's how I got involved with Essante Organics. These are the earth greens. They have an ionic charge in them to help better absorb. I don't know if I can open it. Let's see. Try. I hope that sounds not annoying. It's going to have that paper thing. I don't know if I can punch through it. Still a little film over the top. It's still doing pretty good. You can do it. Oh, good. The scoop is right on top. So a serving is just a little scoop. I don't know if you can see how I don't want to get it in my keyboard. They kind of stick to the scoop. It's that kind of electrical ionic charge. It's kind of interesting. But anyway, good for you. Good for me. You can sprinkle it on salads. Just drink it in water. Throw it in a protein shake. Just, they taste like greens. Any other green drink. It's good. It's very tolerable. What else did I get? I know I got more stuff. Oh, what is this? Oh. Because I'm planning on finally losing a substantial amount of weight this year. It's my intention. I ordered the anti-aging type of skincare, the Z3 product. I didn't get the facelift because that's just kind of like, it makes you, that's not what I'm bought it for. Got the eye cream and the face cream. So I'm going to try it. Right now, you don't see, I have wrinkles, and I have lip lines and stuff, but I'm so overweight right now that a few of my wrinkles show, but as I lose weight in my face, I know more wrinkles are going to appear because my face isn't going to be so plumped up. So I'm hoping that by using this, it helps keep my skin intact. The Essante Organics Z3. I've never used the eye cream. That should be interesting. I think that's about all I got. Yeah, because I got a couple of the hard candies. I got the toothpaste. And, oh, of course, my favorite too. The Rejuvenate Facial Moisturizer. I've been using this for 13 years. Love it. Anyway, so let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. They use these peanuts. They dissolve in water for packing. So it's kind of like, they claim to be like a green company. Go green with Essante Organics. But that's my Essante Organics haul. So I wanted to open it because I want to start making my protein shakes. I got my kitchen organized today. Got a lot done today. I'm really impressed. Everything except for the room that I'm sitting in right now. I redid the bathroom a bit. I did the kitchen. And I just have to do this space. So anyway, we'll see you next time. I'll put a link down. You can check out the company. It is an MLM company, but I haven't built a team with them. If you order retail, I would make a little bit of money, so I have to make that disclaimer. You can pay, I think it's $29.95 to get your own like wholesale shop. You don't have to sell. If you want to sell, you have to put in your like employee ID or social security and that. But if you don't want to sell, you just want to buy wholesale, you can just pay that one-time fee and get your own website and do wholesale. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Let's see how this turns out with this virtual background. It's kind of weird with the products moving in and out. You know, like how you're on a Zoom meeting and the hair is kind of like doesn't look real. It looks like, I don't know. But I just wanted to try something different. Anyway, it's a new year, so I want to get creative. Thank you. If you like what you see, subscribe, give me a like, comment, let me know what you think. We'll see you next time.